Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are looking at the 2022-2023 NABTEB examination, and we are providing solutions to the theory parts of the mathematics question. Today we are at 10C, and it is a series for the solutions in the series, that is the solutions to the other questions within the series. Please check my channel, they are very much available. The question says, a regular polygon has interior angles of 140 degrees. How many sides has the polygon? The next is, what is its name? Now the first thing to do is to write out the formula for finding interior angle of a regular polygon, and we've been given that 140 is the angle of the regular polygon, so that will become 140 equals n minus 2 180 all over n. So we are going to cross multiply such that 140 n is the number of sides that we are looking for, n minus 2 180. So let us open this bracket. That is 140 n equals, that is 180 n minus 360. So let us collect the like times. That is 140 n. So by the time this moves, it becomes minus 180 n equals minus 360. So this is minus 40 n equals minus 360. So n equals minus 360 all over minus 40. So negative cancel negative. So 360 divided by 40. So n equals 9. Now, so we've gotten, so it has 9 sides. So an irregular polygon with 9 sides is called nonagon. Nonagon. So thank you very much. For any question, please put it in the comment section, and till I see you next time, please remember to subscribe to this channel, and thank you very much.